Ketenat Kampok Yeng ke Sorkar Jela Lengbau Pak Cyril V. Darlong Dingdo IAS Upariu Commissioner Bat Secretary Ketenat Haka Janmiet Jaga Khat Artrik Luber Arja Arpusan Kalapa Jingto Jaga Kasi Students Union KSU Ringkat Kapang Jingkular Bat Jingpensyai Halor ke Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act Arja Arpusau Kani ke Jingto Kawan Lingba ke Jingalang Kabala Syong Hapadeng ke Sorkar Jela Bat ke Union Haka Janmiet Jaga Khat Waitrik Luber Arja Arpusan Haka Bala Kular Babaro ke Bayadan Bynta Kin Syapan Jing ai jing mut hakapor bathau ya ka rules jong ka act da ka pensyong nong rim ya ki jing ai jing mut bala kedo da ka union kat kum ka sithi ha ka arpau tri ukala lengkot araja arpusan Shushu ketenat kala kedo baki mat jing sngo khiak ladap ya thir bat ya tai ha ka amendment bill bala wanra da ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla ki mat jungkular na ketenat ki kentop baka MSIPF Act Arja Arpusau kanom yo rot ye ki kendon ka Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act khat khandai spa nyopway par kanom yat lat na ki kendon ki badai na ki Autonomous District Council Nalor kita ila kedoru bakindon ki lat yok kam ye ki khun samla kata khandai 4% on mang na ka Bynta ki bamde ki kam manager kat basan 4% pan ye ki kam manager shaneng Kumban syukro baka KSU hakapor menstep jong ka khatwai tari gulber arja arpusan kala tur sayeng dorbar thawan ka jella ban persya ya ketika ak bad ya kalintiral ya ka baka sorkar kala khot yakran hakapor no phaisngi
After all the discussions we've had and after the amendments we have made to the amendments what is their reaction so I guess that will be the thing but it's not just about as I said the KSU or other NGOs that met me I mentioned that because they met me 2 days back but before that also many other organizations individuals and MLAs were from the ruling side have been mentioning this to me every time we sit. So this has been a issue that I could understand was creating concerns among the people. Though it was a very clear issue, there is no question of, as I said, bypassing any kind of land acquisition laws and rules we have. So therefore, we were very clear on it. But because it was creating confusion, we thought that it's better we amend that. Yeah, so basically the first, the amendments that we brought in, which we went through, was number one, that provisions of the Land Transfer Act will be applicable. Different rules and regulations as per the district councils will be applicable. And different opportunities for employment for our youth will also be applicable. So these are the things which actually goes without saying. But in order to give the confidence to the people, we thought it's better we insert it in the Principal Act itself. We will reassure the people about our commitment and our sincerity on this particular issue. There was an issue of a land bank, which we had mentioned, which is something which is necessary for investments because certain investors may come in and require land to be leased out to them. So we had kept the provision for the Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority also to act as one of the agencies which could then have a land bank and then lease out as per the Land Transfer Act provisions under that lease out to different investors. But since people had concerns and doubts, we have decided to bring out the Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority completely from the purview of land acquisition or any kind of land bank creation. So therefore, MIPA will now be a pure policy and agency that will facilitate promotion and will receive the applications and process, and the necessary applications and documents to be sent to the respective departments will then be coordinated through MIPA. So it will play a pure role of only a facilitating agency. The point is that these are acts and provisions which we have to follow in any case. So it's not that it cannot be followed. We have only decided to include it in the act. So whether we don't include it also, they will still be applicable. So there's nothing to be negative about it. But the confidence level was somehow not there, so people were doubting, so we put it. So therefore, there is no question of investors having any kind of concerns about it because they already knew that those laws and acts will be applicable to them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya